Hi everyone, this is the Traders and Brokers channel 2, where we discuss about currency trading and how profitable you can be with trading currencies. Uh, this is the demo account which we started with $16, and now I've taken some trades today and I'm going to show you why. Okay, right. So we've taken the GBP, NZD, and mostly they are the pound pairs, and how we are going to trade according to price pattern, price structure. Right. So what we're trying to understand here is how do we trade these profitably. Okay. Now what happened was, let's look at this. There was a price surge down. Okay. This is just the London Open. Okay. A little later than that. Price showed push up 1, small 1, 2 and 3. Okay. When these things happen, people are long. You got to be sure what's happening, right? So once this is short, you can short it and then you follow these lines. Now typically it's 3 pushes, 2 to 3 pushes. So this is one push, it's making the second push. It did a stop hunt to get the buyers out. Okay, now it's going to fall. Typically, I mean nothing is 100%. So it's going to go down and we're going to see how it works. So we are in a profit of $3.35 now, around 34746, and let's see what happens. This when these EMAs, this is the 5 and 13 EMA, when they fan out, open up like this, it shows price reject, and typically it could go further down. We got to watch the TDI indicator, see how it's showing downside, right? It doesn't work just with the indicators. You got to have insight about how price moves. It will go right back up and go up. We don't know, no one knows. So we're going to be watching this and how this, typically this is downside again. This is going to break for the downside, sideways consolidation. So we built a $16 account up to $20, $21. Okay, and we'll see how it goes, because our goal is to grow a $16 mini trading account to a higher account, which is I don't know. I mean, I don't know how far we can go, but that's what the goal is. So I'm trying to show you some setups on this now. Let's see what happens if what's happening on gold. Gold is very difficult to trade. To be very honest, it's not easy. You really need to, have a skill set for that. You got to wait for the highs, the lows, and the whole 9 yards, the works. Let's start the drill down from Euro USD. Now if you see Euro USD, it's made a double pin. It made a small pin, it made another big pin, aggressively pulled back, and it's turned down. This could be potentially downside to the 200 moving average. When price hits these levels, the 50 exponential EMA and the 50 moving average 100, these are used by institutional traders, right? So you got to watch these levels and exit. Don't try to hold, because it's going to go back up. Okay, it just could go up, it could go down, you don't know, right? I'm going to show you some exotic pairs which really no one knows what's going to happen. When there's a no trade setup, there is a no trade setup. Okay, now you can see these railroad tracks yesterday. This typically shows reversal. Okay, it went flat from here, went down. You had like 20-25 pips. Watch this coincide also, right? So you got to keep watching these things from time to time. See, there is a pull. This is lost because there's a pullback. Okay, it's gone up. See that? Without seeing. So we don't know what's going to happen, but let's wait and watch, right? Yeah. Now as you see, this is like a triple top. 1, 2, 3. It fell. Triple tops can be powerful if you know how to trade them. don't try it without practicing. Never afford to lose your money without really, I forgot the saying. There's a famous saying. If somebody can remind me of that and put it in the comments below, it'll help. Uh, Never afford the money which you uh, never trade with money which you cannot afford to lose. Yeah, I think that's how it is. Yeah. So right. So because the loss is a part of the business, and that's how it is. No real trade setup here. You got to know that if there's no trade, there's no trade. This is the double pin. If you see very carefully yesterday, if you see very carefully, okay, I'll zoom it for you. One pin down, two pin down, and up, and up. See that? Straight up. You had a lot of pips there. A lot of pips. Yeah. We got something coming up on the. Let's see what we got on coming on the euro yen. That's yeah. It's sideways. Nothing at all. Okay. This is a very exclusive exotic pair, but it's tough to trade. But yeah, it's tradable if you know how to do it. Euro Mexican pesos. Okay. Let's see what we got on Euro UD. Again, a good pair to trade if you know what you're doing, but a very good pair. GBP AUD is an excellent pair if you really are good at doing it the right way. Yeah. See that? A peak, double pins, 1, 2, and sell. So that's an awesome trade if you really want to see. Yeah. This is another trade, but it's you could have taken this from here, the center. It will continue down. Yeah, it's coming to pull back and test, but nevertheless a good setup. Yeah. Then it's a very tight sideways consolidation, 2-3 pins and straight down. If you really master that, you will really be profitable in trading if you can really get good at that. We have the GBP JPY again playing. It's kind of sideways, but this doesn't look like it's going to go up. So let's see how it pans out. Another great pair, as it is already here. It's coming up for a pullback, but we don't know what's going to happen. It could really go up. Trend is up, but not on this pair. On the other pound pair, trend is up. The trend is down on this one. So it's very hard to really say, but we're going to be watching it. I mean, it will go right down. So it's made 2 pushes. Maybe the third push can go right down. So yeah. So yeah, that's it for now. I mean, nothing much to really talk as of now, because as things move, maybe I'll make another video, as we'll see after some time, half an hour from now, what's really happened to these trades. Have they been profitable, or I mean, I'll see you guys in a while. Have a nice day. Bye.